Hey everyone, I wanted to point something out to you, something to watch out for if you've got something like lantana in your flower beds or any type of annual or perennial that can really get overgrown in a single season. A sweet potato vine, that'd be another one. You really have to watch out for your turf around the edge of that flower bed. You can see it right here. This turf right here on the edge is kind of browning out, and it's like that almost all the way around this flower bed wherever this lantana is. And that's because the lantana is growing over the edge of the flower bed, and it's basically smothering the turf underneath. So you got to watch out for that kind of stuff. These are annuals. A lot of them are perennials. Even with lantana, sometimes they don't come back, and if they don't and you try to do something else the next year, you're going to be left with a dead spot all the way around the edge of your flower bed, and you don't want that. So keep an eye out for that. Be mindful of that. Keep it trimmed back enough to where your grass can get some sunlight. It's not getting smothered. It's real easy to let this go and just try to weed eat underneath it, but that's not going to cut it. Your turf is going to struggle and die off around those edges if you don't keep that lantana or whatever plant it may be trimmed back so that it can get the sunlight it needs. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, let us know. Thanks.